Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify for dropshipping easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit Shopify's official website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose your store name. Once you've filled out the required information, click Create Your Store. After your store is created, you will be taken to the Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main menu on the left side. Click on Settings at the bottom of the menu to configure your store's details. Here, fill in your business information, including address and currency. Next, click on Payment Providers to set up your payment options. Select the payment methods you wish to offer, such as credit cards or PayPal. After setting up payments, click on Shipping and Delivery to configure shipping rates and methods. Determine your shipping zones and rates based on your target market. Now, go to the Apps section by clicking on the Apps option in the left menu. In the Shopify App Store, search for a dropshipping app like Oberlo or Spocket. Click Add App and follow the prompts to install the chosen dropshipping app. Once installed, open the app from your dashboard. Browse for products you want to add to your store within the app. Select the items you want to sell and click Add to Import List. Review the product details and adjust titles, descriptions, and prices as needed. After finalizing product details, click Import to Store to make them live. Return to your Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store in the left menu. Select Themes to choose a theme for your store. Explore free and paid themes, and preview them before making your selection. Once you've found a suitable theme, click Customize to modify it. Adjust the layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand identity. After customizing your theme, go to Products and check the added items. Make sure everything is displayed correctly, including images and descriptions. To manage your store, utilize the Orders section to handle incoming orders. Keep track of inventory through the Products section to ensure stock levels. Finally, promote your store through social media or Google Ads to attract customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.